Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Today is an exciting day. We are labeling Papi Chulo Makeover Soap. Yay! But before we get started, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. It's Friday, Chill Out Friday. Go get your favorite beverage. But before you do, let's do our deep breathing exercise. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's go. Oh man, that feels so good. All right, come on. Let's go. Okay, before we get into labeling, I want to make sure you have the necessary things that you need in order to package your soap. So what you would need is a heat gun. I have a heat gun. I have a sealer that's going to seal my cellophane poly bags over my soap. I have a scale because we're going to weigh them one more time. And I have my bags. These are 6 by 11, but because my soaps are large, but a 6 by 6 bag would also help. And I also have tape if needed. Okay, so let's just get right into this. Let me put my scale on and we're going to weigh the star bar that we started off with. And can anybody tell me what was the weight that we started off with? The weight that we started off with was 6.60 ounces. So my scale is teared out, is on ounces, and let me just weigh a bar. It said 6.05. Let me weigh the next one. 5.05. So the water did leave out of all of them. 6.05. Water's all gone, guys. They are ready. It has been over 8 weeks. Okay? So now this is what I do. Let me take the scale out my way because we no longer need the scale. I bring a bag over. Okay? I have my sealer on. And what I do is place my bar. It doesn't matter how I put it in. I just place it in. There you go. Get it in there. Okay. And what I do is I take my sealer. I'll leave it right here. I'll take my sealer. And I'm actually going to place it in. Let the bar hang down. And I'm going to seal it right there. Just press on it for a few seconds. And then let go. And it seals it, see? So now I can put another, see that? It's sealed. So what I do now is cut that off. Try not to unopen the seal, which I did, and it's still closed, see that? Okay. Now I have this bag that's open on both ends. That gave me another bag. So what I do is take another bar of soap. And now only thing I just position it in the middle. It doesn't matter as long as I can get each end into my sealer. And I press down, release, and that sealed it. See that? Then I go to the other end and I seal that in. See how simple that is? Done. So I do this for a while. Before I do anything else, I do a lot of the sealing. How is everyone doing today on this Friday? You made it to Friday, right? Woohoo! I know we happy, right? Let's do the quote of today. The quote of today is, All in good time. All in good time. All right, so you remember the soap is in. I'm placing it under my sealer and I'm pressing down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it doesn't matter. There you go. It's sealed. I cut so I don't open that seal. Here I go with another piece and I shall put another bar in this soap, this bag. And then I repeat the process, okay? Repeat the process. Quote of the day is again, all in good time. And see, the piece comes off. And it's sealed in there. See that? It's sealed. All right, I guess I'll continue to go. And I'll put some music in the background for you. And you can just watch me until I'm ready to go back to the next step. Okay, guys? Noisy, noisy, right? All right, let's move the sealer out the way. We are going to take, I usually line them up like maybe 4 or 5 at a time. You see that how I'm stacking them? I'm stacking them up. I take my heat gun. It might be a little loud, guys. I hold my finger on the top because remember the heat gun is hot. And all I do is seal the sides first. And then I rotate it. You see that? Seal the sides and I rotate. And this is how I seal my, there you go. This is how I seal my soap. Put the heat gun down. There you go. See that? And since this already made a bubble because of the heat, I don't have to put. But usually, sometimes, I just take a little scissor so the soap can breathe. Okay? I'll bring you right back when I'm done. Look at that. Well, we'll stay on. There you go. So that's the shrink wrap. There you go. And we're done. See? So now our bars of soap. All right. I won't bore you. I'll bring you back when I'm done. Okay, we're gonna heat these up so they can seal. Lightly turn around. See, I'm not that close on it. Then I just take each bar in my hand and just lightly go over the edges. Then you can squeeze it, the ends. There you go. Look how pretty that is. All sealed and ready to go. Ready to be labeled. The name reveal will be on the next video, guys. Let's do this set. Turn it around. So this is how I seal mine, okay? All of my Artisan soap bars. That's kind of noisy, but I wanted you to see that, you know? Doesn't take long. See how quick that is? All sealed and ready to be labeled, okay? I'll bring you right back. Let me gather them all together for you. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. All right, so you know the next step is labeling, yay, and name reveal. Okay? We're gonna reveal the new name for Papi Chulo, Messy Makeover. Remember, it's getting a new name as well. So, come to the next video, okay? Because this is when we're going to do our labeling. Thank you so much for joining me today. Look how beautiful. All wrapped and ready to be labeled, okay? We'll talk about what goes on the label, front and back, ounces. Again, we know that the water discount is out. It's been over 8 weeks. Name review, and let's go, okay? Enjoy your day. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Mwah. Love from Glennceria Loving Hands. I see you in the next video. Bye for now.